Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee which prepare 50% faster. I hope everyone's learning experience is going really well with ixamBee, and for more videos and course details and course related videos, subscribe to our channel, do hit the bell icon. So here in ixamBee, you could be the next number in our selection of RBI, NABARD, SEBI and all other government examinations. So hi, this this side Aakansha Agarwal, your reasoning mentor, is again with you to resolve your problems related to reasoning. And this session and my previous session were based on the puzzles. So you would be getting my sessions on every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 11 a.m. So do watch my videos which will be helpful for resolving your reasoning small questions, and you could make your score better in the part. So for RBI examination and all IBPS examination or any of your insurance examination, like, okay, you can score well in the reasoning part by just following a strategy and working on small parts of puzzle. And if you will divide your puzzle in category and one by one you will resolve it, then I'll assure you you would be feeling 100% confident while solving a puzzle in your examination. So how to solve a puzzle in your examination? In that environment, sometimes what happens, we often make some mistakes, right? So how to deal with it? So today's session is starting with the motivation part. See, success is liking yourself. Success क्या चीज़ है? हम सबको सक्सेसफुल होना है, लेकिन हम तब तक सक्सेसफुल नहीं होते if you don't love what you do. So love your work. If you're preparing, then do love your preparation. So when you will do liking what you do, this is liking how you do it. So the path will follow and definitely success will be yours, right? So success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. So if you connect all these three things, then definitely you would be succeeded in your life. So in the reasoning topic, all these reasoning topic, the highest weightage are now today's section in the government examination is sitting and puzzle. So what I did, today we will work on a puzzle which often comes in an examination, and often you get confused with this sort of puzzle. So whenever a number related query comes like age, year, how to resolve it. So this puzzle, you can take the screenshot of this question and later on you can solve, and just watch the way I'm doing the things and exactly try to replicate that thing in your notebook, and you would be able to solve in a perfect time. Okay. So in this A sort of question or number related question, often you need to keep in your mind whenever there would be a number related question, there would be a value even, odd, prime, divisibility, difference, multiplication, or any of the thing like that. Okay. Now in the case of age related question, then obviously there would be some older or younger person, right? Difference between the ages and the base year, you need to find your age. Okay, so as of they have given 7% were born in different years. Okay, and so 7 persons are born in 7 different years, then you need not to read the all years data or person names. Okay, and 2025 is the base year for calculating their age. So one of the basic thing is, first of all we need to calculate the ages as per the year given. So how quickly you can calculate age? See, I'll tell you a method. From 2000 to 2025 there would be 25 years, right? Now if you're going back from 2000, okay, then it would be like you can assume a multiple of 100 and you're calculating the value. So I always divide the value in 1950, okay, like 1900 to 1950 and 1951 to 2000. So if it's like 59 is there, so how much value would be? So it would come in this category, right? So after 50, Okay, 59 is this. So how you'll calculate the value of 59? So from 2000, if you subtract 59, then it would be how much? It would be 41, right? Because if you'll add both value, it will become double zero. Okay, and here the value would be 25. So 45 plus 25 would be 66, right? In this way, it would be easy enough for you to calculate the age based on the year. Okay, see, if you'll calculate, see, it's all about the game of timing. I know you can solve this puzzle, like in how much time you are solving, it matters. Okay, so what I did, we calculated all the ages. So because it is an order based puzzle, it would be younger, older. So I'll place 4 5 7 dashes over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now I'll write the years over here, because the 1959 would be the oldest one or the most senior one. 84, 1996 and 1999 and 2004. So I calculated the age beforehand. So 59, if I calculate, that would be 66 year. Then there is a, now what you can do, 59 and 69 is having a gap of 10 years. So just subtract 10 year from 56. Now 69 and 76 is having a difference of 7. So subtract 57 from 56 here, 49. 76, 84, again it would be a difference of 8 years. So subtract 8 from 49. Now 84 and 96 is having a gap of how much? 6 plus 6 would be 12. So subtract 12 from 41. That would be 29. Then 96 and 19, again 3 years of gap. Subtract 3 from 26. That would be 29. That would be 26. And 99 to 2004 would be 5. So subtract 5 years from 26. So see how quickly we calculated the age by just having the base calculation of only the first. Yeah, rest you can calculate. But see, I told you already, puzzle is all about the timing, right? Okay. So next read the data. Not more than 2% was born before D. Now this is the most important line and most trending line nowadays in the reasoning part, in puzzles especially. Not more than 2. So when there's not more than 2, 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता, तो 2 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 1 हो सकता है और 0 भी हो सकता है. तो D से पहले, so there would be 3 situation for D. Either D would be here or here or here. D1, D2, D3. Okay, we'll not make 3 cases right now, because maybe in the later on we would be able to find the different clues. Exactly one person sits between A and C, A and C, okay, and neither A and C has an even numbered age. So even, they don't have even numbered age. That means 56 and 26 cannot, A and C cannot come, okay. Now, number of person born before F is same as born after B. The age difference between E and C is not less than, so we will not write not less than 22, we will write it could be more or equals to 22. Now E is born before B and after G. And the last point is D or F has an either D or F. Okay, so there is a condition either. That means if one is having even, then other would be odd, has an odd number of age. So this is our complete data. Though the question is looking very small, but it is all about time, and once you start this question, you will feel somewhere stuck. So you need to do practice for these questions. So what is D1, D2, D3? So I'll start with D. Suppose I write D. Now what is the most important point? F and B. So whenever there is a condition like before and after cases are equal, in the odd cases it cannot be the middle one. Okay. Now if you take the B, B is having 2 elements before, 2% before B. It would be E and G. So I cannot place B over here because 2 places should be there. Can I write B over here? If I write B over here, middle position cannot be there. Can I write B over here? Yes, I can write. But if I write B over here, then G cannot be over here. Sorry, F cannot be over here, because it would be same. So one condition would be left is B can be here, right? Or B could be at the last. So if I take B over here, okay, let's suppose I just imagine it. Maybe B could be there. So B1 or B2. So first of all, I'll take B. So if I'll take B, then F would be on this side. Okay. Now, what is happening? A and C is not an even. So, and there is a gap of 1 between A and C. So, A and C, where could we place A and C? We cannot have even number over here. So, only one place is left for A and C, A slash C, A slash C. We are doing for this case. Maybe this is possibility and this is going to work. Maybe not. Okay. Now, before B, there are only two places left, and that would be after G, E is there, and after B, before B, E is there. So I place G and E over here. Now, one thing is over here that E and C is having a difference of more than or equals to 22. For that case to be satisfied, when the age of E is 41, then C has to be 21. It cannot be 29. So it is clear C would be here and A would be here and every. And D and F, if you check, one is odd and one is even. All the conditions are satisfied. So here we are great with our solution. So sometimes you feel like, ma'am, how you have taken D over here. See, this will come with practice. Once you will practice this sort of question, it would be easy for you to work on. And when you will make cases, you will feel like in the next case it would be eliminated. Okay. So just try to practice these questions, because in order cases often ages or year wise question comes. I hope everybody is working on the general awareness part also. So do follow our daily, weekly, monthly BPDR for 2025. Do subscribe our channel, download our app, and do rate us our app, and stay tuned with all the updates and notifications and course details and everything which is there on our app. Thank you for watching my session.